Hello students, welcome to Sri Kolhapuri School of Doll Making. This is Nisha here. In this video, I am going to share with you the list of items that will be available to make beautiful Andal doll like this. So this is a do-it-yourself kit. So the kit will have all these items. Let us see what are all the items. First one is a doll. So this is the doll that we have converted like this. Okay. This is a 16-inch big doll. Then we have a beautiful brocade sari with the lace and blouse material. And the next item is jewelry items. Stone sheet, okay, beautiful ball chain, jewelry. So in the workshop, in the upcoming workshop, even though it is, many of you have attended Andal making, I will be teaching you different techniques related to jewelry, because jewelry is one of the challenging items, right? So I am going to show you how we can make use of this type of jewelry and make the doll beautiful. Okay, so this is the kunjalam. These are all decoration items, ball chain, a jhumka base, parrot, a glue, flower. This is flower for garland and this flower for hair. And then we have 1 meter hair, fiber hair, and this is for the side pony and a wooden base. So all of this at a very special price. So you will get all these materials along with the tutorial. So if you are attending, if you have registered for the upcoming class on Andal making, you can buy this kit. This is not mandatory, but if you want, you can buy this kit from us. And with this kit, you will be able to make beautiful doll like this. I will see you in the workshop. Bye-bye then.